In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Calendly free trial. Calendly is a popular tool for scheduling meetings, simplifying the process of finding the perfect time to connect. But maybe you're exploring other options, or you simply want to avoid being charged once your free trial ends. No worries, in this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through how to cancel your free trial or subscription with ease. Whether you're new to managing subscriptions or just need a quick refresher, this tutorial has you covered. Let's get started. First, head over to the Calendly homepage. You can do this by typing www.calendly.com into your browser's address bar. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your email and password, or whichever method you've set up for logging in. If you've forgotten your password, look for the Forgot Password option to reset it. Once logged in, take a moment to locate the Upgrade Plan button. This is typically found on the left side of your screen. It's easy to spot, so take your time scanning the sidebar until you find it. Clicking on this button will take you to the subscription management page, where all your current plan details live. Now that you're on the subscription management page, look for the option to manage your plan. Depending on what's available, you should see an option to either cancel or change your current plan. This is the key section where you can make adjustments to your subscription. If you're planning to cancel, that's where you'll want to focus your attention. Go ahead and click the Cancel option. This step is for those who wish to terminate their free trial or subscription entirely. Remember, Calendly includes this option because many platforms want to make sure users have control over their subscription preferences. After selecting Cancel, you'll be prompted to follow a few on-screen instructions to confirm your decision. These extra steps are a safeguard to ensure you don't accidentally cancel your subscription by mistake. Carefully read through the prompts and confirm your cancellation when you're ready. Once that's done, the final step is to check your email inbox for a confirmation email. This email serves as proof that your cancellation has been processed successfully. If you don't see it right away, don't forget to check your spam or junk folder, just in case it landed there by mistake. Now, here's an important tip to keep in mind. If you're close to the end of your billing cycle, it's a good idea to set a personal reminder to cancel before the renewal date. This ensures you won't encounter any unexpected charges due to automatic renewals. It's always better to stay ahead of these deadlines. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to cancel your Calendly free trial. By following these steps, you now have full control over your subscription and can avoid any unnecessary charges. If you have any additional questions or need help with a different task, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.